So I've just built myself a new Excel. You can build it now too, right? It's just building, running scripts, and you've got yourself the latest, newest Excel ISO, for example, ArcoLinux B Plasma, for example, XB Awesome, and so on. So at this point in time, we have this guy 21.11, so November. You can jump in the future and have already the one for mid-November. I want to try something out, but first I'm gonna shut down the social media, and that's the fact that Art.info gave us some issues, and there was some advice somewhere I saw pass by, and I thought this doesn't look safe, and it had to do with the sbin. I just want to experiment. So this is a virtual box, right? Experiment, break, crash. That's what I'm gonna do. Open folder as root. And I think that what I saw in question was actually the code that was in there was actually going to remove sbin. What happens if we delete the symbolic link sbin, if that's at all possible, because it doesn't seem to be gone? Sbin, am I missing it? Sbin is no longer there. Visually I still see it, which is strange. But there you go. Open terminal here. No, still live. So let's remove. Let's see if I can remove sbin like this. No such file or directory. So I think it's already gone. And what happens if I restart my virtual box? Do I break everything then if this symlink is gone? I was wondering, what if? Oh, look at that. Well, voila. Might have been the reason why some of us got into trouble, right? Root device mounted successfully, but sbin init does not exist. So the link to the sbin symbolic link was removed. Bailing out. You're on your own. Good luck. Just wanted to share that with you.